We're going to focus on how to treat somebody's thumb as a therapist or a rock climber, somebody who's doing a lot of repetitive movements, say you're on the hammer or on the tools or on the drill, and you're getting that pain that's on the inside, sort of in that meaty portion of your thumb. G'day guys, it's Darcy and Leo here. So today Leo's got some issues going on with your hand, with your thumb in particular.
Thumb, yeah.
So Leo does ninja stuff, lots of grip rock climbing.
Yep.
So Leo, yeah, show me what movement was sort of aggravating or bringing up your symptoms.
So it's pretty much kind of when I pinch onto something and hold it.
Yep.
And then if I actually do like a thumb stretch, say it like this, and I go all the way, it has a burning sensation kind of around this area, but it kind of just feels like big thumb kind of muscle feels like it's just stuck. I just need to unblock it actually.
Yep.
Yeah, it seems like whatever I do, it just seems like it's burning. It's like a sharp burning feel.
So there's something going on sort of through that meaty. You can feel, you come in here, Blake, we can see the meatiest part of Leo's thumb. That's probably where we're going to focus on today. We'll do a really thorough job of these thenar muscles. We've got 4 little muscles in there that make up that group. We'll focus on clearing and unblocking the wrist. Look, we could go up the arm and look and focus on our flexors. We could have a look at our neck, but today we're just going to do just the thumb and see how much of a result and improvement we can get out of it. Look at your hand down here. So how to treat a therapist's thumb. I guess that could be our title maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know, something like that. Leo being the therapist needing some maintenance. So I'm going to start right on that crease there. So almost where the wrist is, starting here and sinking in. That's where I'm going to start with my connection. I can feel already just pushing straight down, sinking in and melting into that spot is already getting some really good connection.
Started there already, yeah.
Started there already, yeah. And that burning sensation is, I guess, maybe something we will look for. And when we hit that spot, you give me some feedback. It's a bit of a partnership, this treatment, finding the right spot, unblocking, clearing, cleaning, like that unblocking sensation. That's what you feel it needs.
Yep.
So we're going to almost open up a channel through here for flow.
It's warming up.
Warming up. Yeah. And it's going to be pretty sore. Leo's, how often are you training, man?
Every day.
Every day.
I'm just hanging downstairs on the monkey bars, so it's every day pretty much.
And you can see already, I've probably been working this spot for a minute at least. I'm not sure, but I've probably only moved a centimetre or 2. So it's really slow and really deep, but it's quite therapeutic when receiving this. It's not overwhelming or too intense. It is somewhat painful, but it's not, you know, I'm not making Leo want to tap out or make this too intrusive or too hard to handle.
How's your thumb now?
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to do a swap after this. Look, as therapists, we're using our thumbs all day, so this meaty part of our thumb, getting a lot of work, isn't it? We're working it all day. We need this stuff, and then you're adding to that and using your thumb as a grip tool for your rock climbing things. So I'm gonna go now more like, you can see it, that crease there. So I'm gonna start here and work around that almost. So just starting a centimetre further, almost into the wrist, and then working around these thenar muscles.
Concentration phase, Leo.
Not easy.
Ooh. Yeah, I can feel something in there.
You're feeling a lot of the bony structures, or just the...
So I'm feeling for what's like flicky through here. You can feel the different muscle groups. I like to sort of sit on top of that there and work, trace it and follow that. So Leo's been appointed our, I guess, video. What's your title? What's the title of your? Do you have one?
Social media expert.
Social media expert.
So
he'll be editing this video and making it look a whole lot more enjoyable. But I guess maybe you've been the textboard warrior.
Slower the better. It's really good.
Just feel like I want to do a little bit of active through there.
There, yeah.
Right there?
Yep.
That's the spot.
That's the spot.
I'm gonna go, my thumb is fatiguing a bit, so just a double thumb.
Who's next?
I'm working it out. Rehydrating what's become dehydrated and clearing what's become stuck and blocked. So that's really good. The next one I want to do, man, is sort of like, you see that there, the more bulky and thicker part, but I still want to stay connected to that bone. So I'm going to start on that wrist crease and then work my way down and see how this goes. Is this comfortable enough for you, this position?
It's comfortable, yeah.
Just need to get a little bit more wax, just probably getting a bit stuck there.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, that's a spot.
That's a spot?
That's a spot, yeah.
Okay, cool. And what are we getting there?
Just kind of release of blood
Yep,
into the whole thumb.
yep. Getting some stuff tingling into here.
Yep.
Yep. And look, this treatment is, we're not looking past the wrist or the thumb today. We're just focusing on here. As I mentioned, we could look up the chain and into the neck and test all these other areas, but Leo's got a pretty good idea of where his pain's coming from. So we're actually just focusing on the thumb today and not having too much of a look up the chain, which we most certainly can for other patients, other clients, but Leo wanted this. He used his intuition to say, no, it's in here, let's trace this. So that's what we're going to do. I reckon I found something there.
You did, yeah. I was about to say, did you feel that bump?
Yeah, and when we find these bumps and lumps, that's what we go to. Hold that, sink in, pin it, clear it. I'm actually going to go all the way. Like, that's a really lumpy spot.
Yeah.
I'm going to back into that and then scoop it away and trace down the thumb, even onto the thumb. Bit of thumb on thumb action here. Just retest that, and now let's spend another minute or so, but tell me where do you feel like you want more?
Probably just this crease then.
That crease?
Yeah, the under crease there.
Alright.
Yeah.
So I might bring that crease in like this. And then so I guess our crease of our wrist is a really good spot where we can see things will get stuck or things get caught. Blood flow becomes less of a flowing sensation, more of a blocked, and so we can clear that and open that back up. Working that. You can see the redness already, so we're attracting good blood, we're attracting good cells, oxygenated blood, white blood cells that are going to repair and heal this tissue and make this feel so much better.
There you go on there, Leo.
All right, bro. It's enjoyable. Who's next?
Yeah.
Oh,
What's next?
What's next?
So I'm going to finish up here and then retest, just for the video's sake, because I guess there isn't a whole lot more to it rather than going deep, going slow, hitting the points. Look, you can do this on yourself. At home, you can use your own thumbs to treat one another. You could get your partner to have a go at doing this on you, or come and see one of us. Book in at musculartherapy.com, and yes, come and see one of the guys. Get some treatment on your thumbs. If you are a therapist and you need it, or you're a tradie, or you've just got thumb pain for whatever apparent reason, just get in, get it cleaned, get it sorted, work it. Just retest that, see how that feels. That was the test, wasn't it? That
It was the test, yeah.
That was the restriction, and you're getting like a burning sensation. Are we still getting that, or?
It's gone down, but the main thing is I can just I can hold this, and it's quite comfortable.
Yeah.
So now both sides feel pretty even now.
Yeah, great. And look, we can probably go while he's in that position and find, like, I can see a little groove in there, a little nook, and maybe push into that. Make that deeper. I can go into deeper waters. I can make that shallow and then work it out. And just looking for any little nook or cranny where things become stagnant. Or we find adhesive little pockets of tissue that we want to unravel. Yeah, there's a nice little block in there. And this is a perfect little channel to open up. One more.
Buzz.
Yeah, still
Alright.
here, bro.
Look at that, and you can see the grooves and the marks in there after 30 seconds. Amazing.
Thanks, bro.
If you can resonate with this video, guys, as I said, book online, musculartherapy.com. Like, subscribe, follow our Patreon. But otherwise, this is Leo. That's our thumb treatment. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers.
Done.